morning, guys. I'm at Ellenborough Camping Reserve. It was a bit busy here last night and it is now raining. Not great. As we are going for a bit of a hike today. So yeah, I'm gonna make up probably just a hot chocolate, maybe have some toast to eat, and yeah, start the hike planned for today. It's a bit rainy and miserable, but it should be good. I'm hiding from the rain a little bit under here. I've got my hot chocolate. The rain's picked up a little bit. Unfortunately, it's very like misty. Very mystical looking. But yeah, so I'm gonna sit here, have my hot chocolate, pack up camp, get changed, and get on the road, I think. I was thinking of coming back here tonight to camp again, but I think I'm just gonna head to the next spot tonight. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm doing a 5-hour hike tomorrow, so I don't really want to drive the like 2 hours to the trailhead and then do a 5-hour hike and then go to camp. Just I've got a shorter hike today, so I think that's the smart way to do it. The rain just keeps picking up at this point. I think I'm gonna have to get my butt moving and stop lounging around. This is gonna be so fun to pack up. And now I regret not bringing extra towels, not gonna lie. Oh well. You live and you learn, right? That took nearly an hour to pack up because my zipper got stuck on some fabric from the tent and it was not budging. Fought with it. I eventually got it. I put like a butter knife in the zipper and just kind of kept tugging at the fabric till it came out of the zipper. But oh my god, that was a headache and a half. It is now 10:15 a.m. I was already planning to be at the trailhead by now. So now we're gonna drive to the trailhead and start the hike for the day, and then I reckon I'll just drive to the next camp spot rather than coming back here tonight. So yeah, that is the plan, I think.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yet in my darkest times, you got me feeling like...
Alright guys, we have made it to the trailhead of Ellenborough Falls. It is miserable, to put it lightly. Yeah, we're gonna get ready. We're gonna get out of the car and go on an adventure. Whoa. Yep, that's flowing. Look at that. So we are going down here to the lower falls. It's I think 641 steps each way. Stairs, sorry. So this is gonna be a lot of stairs. It's super misty, so it's super mystical. I did put bathers on underneath. We will see if I decide to go for a swim or not. But if I do, I have them on already, which will make life a little bit easier. This place is like a jungle. This is really gonna hurt my knees on the way back up, but I don't care. On another note, this is my new day pack that I got the other day from Anaconda. It is Mountain Design's 30-litre day pack. So it's actually got back support built into it. And I have a lot of back issues. Wow. From old spinal injuries. So I'm giving this pack a try. So far, I'm loving it. So, it's a little side note. How mystical is that? Like, wow. There's so many chairs to sit on the way back up. That'd definitely be because there's so many stairs. I can hear the roar of the falls from here. Wow. It looks amazing. And that's all that matters. Oh. Wow. This is amazing. Oh. Holy! It looks like there's another path that takes you a little bit further down, which I'm gonna want to get to. I really want to get a good photo of that waterfall because, oh my god, that is incredible. That is, I think that's actually better than Wentworth when I visited it after 200 mils of rain. I mean, like, that was magical, but this is something else. Ellenborough Falls. My glasses are so wet, but look at that. Beautiful. Obviously I didn't end up having to swim because honestly I've had swim enough. I didn't get too close to the waterfall. There's a lot of water coming off it as it is, but just beautiful. Oh my god. But anyway, now we're gonna start the hike back up. What was it? Gone the wrong way. The other way back up. It's a total of 641 stairs each way. So, I'm gonna hike through this mystical jungle to get back up to the top. Probably not gonna film that, but I'm gonna dive a bit on the way back up, and I'll see you guys at the car. Got back up to the car park. My legs aren't as dead as I was expecting, thankfully. But that's the top of the falls there. Very, very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Just wish the sun would shine for us.
Eliza, don't despair, you're not alone. I'm only happy when I'm with your soul. Eliza, don't despair, you're not alone. Eliza, don't you know I'm only happy in the summer. I'm only happy when there's blue skies up above. I'm only happy with you, lover. Just wish the sun would shine for us. Just wish the sun would shine for us. Just wish the sun would shine for us.
I'm now stuck in a traffic jam. So there has been a oil spill on the road that I need to drive up to get to my campground tonight. So we're looking at about a 45-minute wait, according to the fire brigade guy that I spoke to. So yeah, gonna be sitting here a while. They're using a council truck to hose down the road to try to push the oil away. So it's going to be a very, very careful drive up the mountain. Yeah, not great, but what can you do? Okay guys, we are moving again, very, very slowly, but we are moving.